welcome to my channel. Jusun is in the house. Well, I got the gift today. I got lots of gifts actually. I got this one, lots of socks, fussy socks, guys. Oh, keep me warm. Another fussy socks, and nice shirt. Oh, very thick. Look at that, how thick is this? Oh my god, keep me warm. And this is the leggings. Ooh, nice leggings. Of course, extra small. Yes. And this one, I love this stuff. But anyway, and of course, hand sanitizer. The interesting thing that I will show you guys is this one. You see that? This guys is the best. Kasi mahilig ako sa pineapple. Okay? Kung sino pang hindi nakalam, who did know about me? I love pineapple actually. Under the screen, like, you know, no videos. Pero, ang favorite ko talaga is pineapple. So, may nagregalo sa akin. Tonight, we have a family party with JC's family. Eat together. And we see the twinny. But I got this. Is that pretty cool? That is... Yes, that's pretty cool, guys. So, we're gonna unbox this because I'm so interesting to know about it, because Jesse's parents, they have one, but I would love to have one. But I will show you guys what's inside. The same thing is in there, and it's pretty cool. So when I get a pineapple, and I'm gonna take a video in it, and I will show it to you guys when I peel the pineapple. Oh my goodness, see? This is the only thing. This is the sharp thing, and you just follow the instruction of how you do it, and you're gonna have like pineapple like this. Yes, just like that, you know. So you don't have too hard time to like peel the pineapple. Like me, I don't like to do peel the pineapple. That's why I don't really like eating pineapple, because it's lots of work. But now I have like this, so we can buy more pineapple. Kasi ang pineapple kasi guys is mura lang dito. It's only like 89 cents, like not even $1. So we can buy a lot of pineapple. I'm excited. I know, it's so crazy, these things like this. Sorry. I'm just excited. This is just a little thing. Just like a little thing. Make me happy, because you know guys, even just a little thing make me happy, because I have no time to do shopping. If someone give it to me, oh my god, I'm really it's a gift, so you know, we'll use it. So, I'm gonna use it with mixed vlog sometimes. I'm gonna buy a pineapple and I will show you guys how to do it. But it's very interesting. And a small thing make me happy. I'm not like asking for a big thing. I'm a cheap thing. But I'm so happy, you know, like this. Oh my goodness, I love it. So, alright guys, I will show you guys for my next vlog when I buy a pineapple. I'm excited. I'm gonna buy it sometimes tomorrow or whatever. But I'm gonna make a vlog how to peel the pineapple like this. How easy is that? I'm gonna buy my mom one of these. Because you know pineapple guys, you know the benefits of pineapple is good for arthritis. And my mom's is getting old. So you know, pag matanda na, marami ng mga arthritis, ganyan. So, yun ang regalo ko sa sunod na taon. Magbibili ako ng bago. Hindi ko to dadalhin. Bili ako ng bago. Mura lang to guys. Mura. Pero make me happy. You know, yung gift na mura. Make me happy. Ayoko yung mga expensive na gift kasi make me sad. Gusto ko yung mga mamurahing gifts. Kasi ayoko yung mag-spend sila ng pera sa akin. Gusto ko lang yung mga mamurahing gifts, masaya na ako. Mas okay pa na mag-spend ako ng more money na para sa kanila kaysa sa akin kasi heartily given ko sa kanila yun. Pero ayoko na mag-spend sila ng malaking pera para sa akin. Yan lang ang yun ang masabi ko. Pero I'm so really happy. I was just like Jesus Perry said. We're just one time, we're just doing the pineapple. She had like a lot of pineapple. And I said, oh my goodness, I don't like to peel the pineapple. I have a stuff that we can open easily. I said, oh, show it to me. And she showed it to me and I really like it. I said, oh, I want one. And she said, it's not too expensive. I said, really? I want one. So, I wasn't expecting that I have one. Alright. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Alright guys, and I will see you for my next vlog from our next how to operate this unboxing of how to peel the pineapple. Okay. Ang pinya. Okay kayo. Hi guys, shout out nga pala sa mga friends natin. Shout out to Nelda Basilio. Shout out to you, Nelda Basilio. Harness Journey. Shout out to you, Harness Journey. Celine Vlog. Shout out. Ibs Vlog and Family. Shout out to you. Maria Lovna TV. Shout out. Noise Kiss Channel. Shout out to you. Dalilit. So shout out beautiful. Mama Jing. Shout out. Oshiwa. Shout out to you. Kurimau P8. Shout out. Geraldine Galion. Shout out. Rosita Romero. Shout out. Alex Belia. Shout out to you. Olivia Loves Art. Shout out. Mimi Joy. Shout out to you. Aska Lupit, shout out. Aldrin's TV, shout out to you. My ate Sally Agustin, shout out. Kasi siya nagpo-promote sa akin. Pumupunta siya ng mga kahit saan sa ang LS to promote my channels. I love you, Ate Sally Agustin. Love. Sisi Mabel Lucalang, enjoy sa vacation mo sa Baguio with your family. Enjoy lang. Of course, Aldrin's TV vlog. Aldrin's TV. Shout out to you, bro. Bungkayaw vlog. Shout out to you, Sisi. Excuse me. I'm thirsty. Askalupit, shout out to you, bro. Kadungis TV, shout out. Mami La vlog, shout out to you. Mami La's vlog. Mami La vlogs. It's perfect. Shout out to you. It's perfect, beautiful. Shout out to you, Sisi. Mikay with UEA. Shout out to you, Mikay. Puging Mario, shout out. Sheila Verano, shout out to you. Of course, my Sisi Russell Benedicto Sheldon, hello to you. My Sheldon family, shout out. Queen Save, shout out. King of Server USA, shout out to you. Of course, Gabby Concepcion, shout out to you. My kapatid Sanda Vlog, shout out to you, bro. GB Lapla, shout out to you. Monita Veryun, shout out Sisi. Patlin, kumusta Patlin? Hindi na kita narinig. Kumusta sa'yo, beautiful? Si Milay TV, shout out to you. Milay TV. Of course, GB Lapla. Of course, like Ellis, shout out to you, CC. It's perfect. It's Mary Lord, shout out. Mary Lord, shout out to you. Cute D, shout out to you, Cute D. Hi, babe. Shout out to you, babe. Washing the laundry. Cool. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Batman. Anyway, sa hindi ko pa na shout out, next time naman. Alright, I love you guys all and thank you for watching. Love, love, love from Juju. He's in the house. Merry Christmas, everyone. Love, love, love.